Hello, and welcome to US Stock Advisor. US Stock Advisor is an independent firm dedicated to providing transparent and unbiased stock trading education, strategies, and advice that can be applied to any stock market in the world. In this short video, we will briefly explain how to choose a stockbroker for your online stock trading needs. This may be one of the most important decisions that can define your trading success. Choosing the right broker is critical before you start buying or selling stocks. We also want to disclose that we do not support or endorse any specific trading platform or broker. There are many online trading platforms and brokers available to choose from. Some of the major brokerage names in the United States are listed here. If you are not in the United States, you may have to select brokerage firms that may be available in your country. First thing to consider is brokerage commission. Almost all brokers charge a fee, or commission for your trading activity. The commission is charged when you buy, as well as sell a stock. Commissions are typically higher when the broker provides you with a sophisticated trading platform, and other resources, such as market research. Some brokers do not charge a commission, which is typically at the expense of poor trading platform, or lack of market research. Please understand that providing trading research or high-end trading platform does not mean you will be successful with that broker. Your trading success is dependent on your trading strategy. Order execution on the trading platform is another crucial factor to consider. Your trade orders should be executed instantaneously. A good broker will provide a wide range of trading orders, such as limit orders, market orders, including stop-loss exit orders, as well as bracket orders. Multiple order types ensure that your risk is limited, and you are able to cash in the profits when presented. When you use automated order execution, you do not have to be present to place the order. Brokers should be able to provide you before and after hour trading data, which can be helpful for day traders. Another important factor when you choose a broker is the ability to offer price alerts. Therefore, when you choose a broker, choose the one who provides easy-to-use trading platform, which is compatible with multiple devices and operating systems, along with excellent order execution, with low commission. US Stock Advisor offers a consistently successful stock trading strategy, and a variety of services for your stock trading needs, using any online trading platform. To learn more about our services, visit us at www.usstockadvisor.com.